Ever sneeze or cough so hard your eyes start watering? It's not from emotion, it's pressure. Your tear ducts drain through tiny canals that connect your eyes to your nose. But when you sneeze or cough forcefully, you create a sudden surge in pressure through your sinuses and tear system. That pressure can push tears backward or outward, making your eyes water. It's all connected: eyes, nose, throat. And when one gets triggered, the others react. Your body's plumbing isn't always graceful. For more surprising links inside your face, stay tuned with KnowledgeZap.